Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Tauban John Paul, Block 3G. Let's explain the type of assessment. Number 1. What is template inheritance in Blade and how can it be used in a real-world application? For this, sir, the templating engine used by the Laravel framework. It allows developers to create a base layout that can be extended by other views, promoting code reusability and maintaining consistency across web applications. By defining a master template, developers can establish a uniform structure for their page, including headers, footers, and common script or style sheets. Number 2. How can Blade section and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? For user engagement and accessibility, Blade, a templating engine used in a Laravel, provides a structured way to manage content through its section and yields functionality by utilizing these components. Developer can create dynamic views that cater to different user needs while maintaining a clean code base. Number 3. How do Blade control structure make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? The evolution of web development has significantly alternated the landscape of programming language and frameworks. Among these, PHP remains a cornerstone for server-side scripting. One of the primary advantage of using Blade control structure is their syntactical clarity. Blade employs a clean and expensive syntax that abstract away much of the verbose boilerplate associated with raw PHP. Number 4. What is the purpose of syntax in Blade and why is it important for security? One of its key features is the use of double curly braces, denoted as a syntax, which serves a critical role in rendering data dynamically within views. The purpose of this syntax extends beyond mere convenience. It also embodies fundamental principle of security and data integrity in web development. How can Blade's components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Blade, as a templating engine utilized in various frameworks such as Laravel, offers a robust architecture that facilitates the creation of such reusable UI elements throughout its innovative use of components and slots. And its core Blade's component system allows developers to encapsulate HTML structure along with their associated logic into discrete units known as components. Thank you, sir.